Goedemorgen dames en heren. Vandaag zijn we in IJsselweide en er zijn de volleybaltrainers hier met de leerling van het Weerstutten en het voor volleyballen. Er zijn hier een paar volleybaltrainers aanwezig en er is één daarvan is een Amerikaanse volleybaltrainer.
And keep your arms straight.
Oh ja, dat wordt vandaag die
Lock out your elbows, okay? Okay. I'm Karen Augspurger and I'm from America.
Yeah. And where do you volleyball?
I play volleyball in Licton, Florida, and for Plantina Longa, 59.
Yeah? Okay, good.
What's your name? What is it? Sibet?
Yes.
Okay. If you're tossing, you're going to toss to the right or to the left, okay? So if it's to the right or to the left, you need to move your feet, okay? So we're going to shuffle and pass. In America, after college, there's nowhere to play volleyball, and I had the opportunity to come here. The manager at Plantina Longa called me and asked me if I wanted to come play. So, yeah, it was my only chance to play.
Yeah. What do you like about volleyball?
Oh, I just like the game. It's exciting, it's fast, and I just love to play the game. It's a lot of fun. Make sure when you set, your hands aren't too close. Okay, we want to see my hands are around the ball. You guys see that? Okay. And they're not behind the ball, around the ball. Okay? And use your legs and your arms. You're going to extend right hand. Alright? Okay.
What do you think about the Dutch volleyball competition?
It's a good league. There's a couple very good teams that are a lot of fun to play, and I think that it's a very good league, and it's fun to play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you in the past play for other clubs?
I played for my college in the United States, and it's called Wichita State University, and it's just a college, and you go there for 4 years and play. So, and then after I graduated, I came here. So.
Oh, man. How's your team?
Oh, we are doing good. We just, last night we won the game to go on to the finals of the playoffs for the league. And we got third in Top Teams Cup this year. So it was exciting, yeah.
Yeah, good.